Hey guys, we are the Dream Voyagers. In our ongoing Rajasthan voyage, we are moving ahead to the golden city of Rajasthan, Jaisalmer. This chapter is full of unexpected surprises. We'll be taking you from Bikaner to Jaisalmer. Colorful handicraft marketplaces, forts carved in golden sandstone, a lake that was the only water source for the city. Beautiful stays, you'll see them all, where the forts are still alive. Stay tuned.
We are still in Bikaner. Scene हो गया. The scene was that we both had food poisoning. Even Zara को fever तक हो गया. We couldn't leave early, and जो surprise था, that still lined up for today also. So guys, we are leaving now. Finally we are leaving. We are very damn late, but let's see how it's gonna be. We are leaving for Jaisalmer now, and finally we will be revealing what the surprise was. And tada! This was the surprise all along. We will be traveling Jaisalmer on bike. So as we are currently already late now, we don't know how it's gonna be, but is Zara excited about it? She isn't, because she's already feeling sick because of all the food poisoning, but let's see. We'll keep you updated, guys. After getting no means to travel to Jaisalmer, the only bike renting place of Bikaner comes to our rescue. Well, we will be putting the contact details of the place in the description.
1 PM? At around 8:30 or 9 o'clock. Super hot. Super duper hot.
Oh, it's not even the maximum temperature yet.
The total distance from Bikaner to Jaisalmer will be around 330 kilometers. The road quality is commendable, with the barren lands and no one around the road makes this one of the most challenging rides that we ever had. और अगर आप कोई बाइक राइड प्लान कर रहे हैं तो we will recommend you to start early from the Bikaner, because it is really difficult to ride under such high temperatures. We may swimming pool here, but the sun is giving us immense heat. So mind up from the helmets. This is all they had.
So guys, currently we are at NH11. It's 33 degrees Celsius, and trust me, it feels like 40 or 45 degrees Celsius because of the heat. We just stopped for drinking water, and I can say that I am getting dehydrated after every 15 minutes. हर 15 मिनट बाद इतनी ज़्यादा तेज प्यास लगती है. You can see nothing. It's just barren land, and the road is so smooth. I haven't ride on this type of road ever.
Tip number 2, always start after having a meal from Bikaner, because I am telling you there are literally very few places जहाँ पे आप खाना खा सकते हैं. The only dhabas that you will see वो truck drivers के लिए होते हैं. Do not expect any fancy meals on the road. Finally on the left you can see Pokhran city. आपने इसको परमाणु मूवी में देखा होगा. It is a remote location in the Thar desert region. It served as a test site for India's first underground nuclear weapon and ballistic missiles.
We have got still 60 kilometers to Jaisalmer. We stayed here for some chai and some maaza. This is our messiest configuration of our bike. Like, we never fold our bags like this. So how are you feeling now? Not good? But after a chai you will.
Maybe.
Sun is about to set. It will take us around
1 hour.
1.5 hours.
No, 1 hour.
1 hour.
सन तो यहीं सेट हो गया।
It was 7 in the evening और हम अभी तक जैसलमेर नहीं पहुंचे थे। It was getting darker and darker and let me tell you, बहुत ज़्यादा डर गए थे as we were the only one riding on the road. Finally, after a long ride, at around 8:30, we reached our hotel. Oh, finally in Jaisalmer, guys, and this is our damn room. Oh damn, this looks so good. As you can see that we both are damn tired, and Zara is already liking the, what's this? What will we call this?
This is the Queen's Throne.
So let me give you a brief overview about our room. So these are our bags. अभी भी आए हैं. So this will be our bathroom. And from here you can see that we have got a mini fridge, almirah, a dressing mirror, and then we have got a bed, a super spacious room, and this Zara's favorite Queen's Throne as she call it.
Guys, we had really tough journey today and we were not in the condition to travel.
It was the food poisoning and the fever thing, but yeah, we have overcome that and we traveled around 340 kilometers lump sum. But yeah, it is a must go on road because it takes you to different challenges. Another thing was that I was missing my Himalayan. As always, I don't regularly ride a Bullet, but it's a good bike, it's a comfortable bike, but I always miss my Himalayan. Himalayan always seems more comfy and more cooler. So tomorrow is a full packed day. We will be going to Jaisalmer Fort and we will be moving on to some dunes. तो देखते हैं कल, चलो खाते पीते हैं and we should rest now. It was a tiring day. See you guys.
Back to our bike.
पार्किंग का भी है इसकी सीधा।
चढ़ाने की मत सोचो, नीचे भी उतारनी है।
वही मैं सोच रहा हूँ।
After reaching Jaisalmer Fort, हम लोगों ने एक लोकल गाइड हायर किया and you won't believe guys, he only asked for ₹50 for the complete tour.
और मेरी नीचे स्कूल में ये आए थे, ये देवानंद साहब आए थे, तब मैं 35 साल का था। मेरे स्कूल में मेरे बच्चों को भी पढ़ाया था देवानंद साहब ने। फिर मुझे कहा था देवानंद साहब ने कि मास्टर जी मेरे को किला दिखाओ, तो मैं इनको किला दिखाने लेके आया। मैं इनका गाइड बना, किले वालों ने इनको मारा बनाई थी। ये देवानंद है बॉलीवुड स्टार, इन्होंने मालूम है गाइड फिल्म बनाई थी। राजा भी हो सकते हैं क्या? ये अमिताभ बच्चन से भी लंबे राजा थे, इनकी हाइट अमिताभ बच्चन से भी लंबी थी। ये 7.5 फुट के थे, यानी कि अमिताभ बच्चन आए ना, उन्होंने जब ये कपड़े देखे ना, वो चिल्लाने लगे। और हमारे राजा को बोल के गए थे तुम्हारी ये राजा तो हमसे भी लंबा है। वो दूर पानी की टंकी के पीछे वो रेलवे स्टेशन है, इंडिया का लास्ट वो रेलवे स्टेशन है, इंडिया का जैसलमेर जंक्शन। इससे आगे भी पटरियां भी नहीं है। पाकिस्तान 170 किलोमीटर है। आप वो सामने देखो, वो पीले रंग की हवेली लंबी सी काली काली खिड़कियां हैं, जो वो वर्ल्ड फेमस पट्टुओं की हवेली है। अब आप लोग यहाँ फोटो भी कर लो, उधर भी कर लो, आप सुनो अच्छे से फोटो आएंगे, फिर मैं आपको राजा रानी का महल दिखाऊंगा। मैं वही खड़ा हूँ।
The ticket price is ₹50 per person, and you need to pay an extra ₹50 for a still camera and ₹100 for a video camera. The visiting time is 9 AM to 5 PM. जैसलमेर फोर्ट वर्ल्ड के लार्जेस्ट फोर्ट्स में से एक है और साथ ही जैसलमेर फोर्ट जैसलमेर शहर की शान है। Here is my favorite room of the lot because I was too intrigued by these ancient sculptures. And this one is the Adi's favorite, the ancient stone representing the map of Jaisalmer Fort.
उस कमरे में होती थी, एक रानी यहाँ होती थी, और ये रानी आपको बैठ के चौपड़ पर गेम खेलती थी। दो रानी तो यही करती थी। आगे भी रानियों के कमरे देखते हुए हम बाहर निकल रहे हैं।
You can also wander through the historical links. और साथ ही you can spend some time through these colorful shops.
That one is Patpoti Haveli. That's Gadisar Lake.
Gadisar Lake, and this is the part of the fort where many people live. This is the first living fort it is.
हमें ना पता है कहाँ जाना है, हमें उधर जाना है, उधर उस रेत में आगे।
I really recommend
she
you
made
guys
it the first time. Like,
don't ever make hairstyles when you're going on a bike trip, because you have to wear helmet and the 6-hour trip, and that though through sands, right?
yeah, through a desert area.
You can't take beautiful pictures of yours with this messy hair and this dirty face. It was really, it is a tough thing, but yeah, it's worthy.
It's worthy of the adventure because you have to give something to have something. If that's something, to say something.
Just try everything, okay? Just don't be guilty of anything. Just get out of your houses and pack it up and just go anywhere you want to.
Because of course you're gonna miss that comfy bed of yours, but the adventure that you're gonna get, it's priceless.
And you like your messy hair, I'm telling you.
It's messy, but
it's worth it.
it's worth it.
और अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो, don't forget to hit the like button. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, what are you waiting for? There is so much more adventure to come in our upcoming video. Next stop, some sand dunes.